Today I'm going to show you how to make a small posy to go in this lovely little posy vase. Got some really nice blue hydrangeas, got some shamrocks, got some blue agapanthus, some green hypericum and some blue delphiniums. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting some foliage into the vase. It's only a small vase, so we're not going to leave lots. And then we're going to put the hydrangeas in. Now the hydrangea, you need to cut up the stem in order for it to be able to drink. Okay, so that just means you cut up the middle of the stem, up this bit. Okay. So you've got 3 hydrangea. Three. Okay, now we're going to put some more foliage. So this green foliage is called pistache, and I'm going to add some eucalyptus as well. Then we're going to use the hypericum. And now the shamrocks. These are the shamrocks. So some people call it shamrock, some people call it Anastasia. It's a type of chrysanthemum. Okay, just pop this in. And now we're going to put some of the delphiniums in. Keep turning it as you make it, so you're making it equal from all sides. This shaped vase is really easy to arrange flowers into. We're going to be into tulips soon, and tulips will easily go into a vase like this. You could almost actually hold all the tulips together and cut them to length and just drop them straight in. What I'll do is, when we get towards having some tulips coming in, I'll do another video for you showing you how to arrange tulips into this type of vase. Okay, so I hope you found that video helpful on how to create a lovely vase arrangement in a small posy vase. I'll bring you some more videos soon. Please subscribe, and then you'll get a notification. See you soon.